Imagine feeling a deep sense of calm, joy, and connection through gentle exercise like yoga or Tai Chi. In today's video, you'll discover how these mindful moments can enhance your well-being, reduce stress, and bring a sense of peace and balance to your everyday life. If you're ready to learn how these practices can transform your body and mind and improve your overall quality of life, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to Life Reimagined with Lynn. I'm Lynn, and on this channel, we explore ways to enrich our lives, especially for those of us navigating new chapters and transitions. Our focus is on repurposing and reimagining life, uncovering the beauty in these transformations and finding joy in every step. I have found that mindful movement at its core is all about connecting our bodies and minds through intentional, gentle exercise. When we think of physical activity, we often picture intense workouts, sweating it out at the gym, or running miles on end. But mindful movements offer a different approach, one that is more about nurturing our well-being than pushing our limits. Let's start with yoga. Picture yourself on a mat in a serene space, perhaps with soft music playing in the background. Yoga invites you to move through a series of poses, each one designed to stretch and strengthen your body while calming your mind. As you move, you pay attention to your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. This rhythmic breathing anchors you in the present moment, allowing you to let go of the day's stresses and focus solely on the here and now. During a yoga session, you might feel a gentle stretch in your muscles, a release of tension in your shoulders, or a sense of balance as you hold a pose. It's not about perfecting each posture, but rather about listening to your body and moving in a way that feels good for you. You might notice a feeling of lightness, as if a weight has been lifted off your shoulders. The movements are slow and deliberate, giving you time to truly experience each one. I recently started a hot yoga class, and I found the yoga moves to be incredibly meditative and restorative. As I moved through the poses, I was able to focus my mind and let go of any distractions. The combination of the heat and the deliberate movements allowed me to release tension and find a deep sense of calm. The rhythmic breathing and the physical exertion created a space where I could be fully present, leaving me both invigorated and at peace. Now, I'm on my third class and making it through with a renewed sense of clarity and balance. So, let's jump over to Tai Chi. Imagine being outside in a garden or a park surrounded by nature. Tai Chi is often described as meditation in motion. It involves a series of slow, flowing movements, each one transitioning smoothly into the next as you move and focus on your breath and the sensations in your body. Tai Chi promotes relaxation and inner peace, helping you to clear your mind and center your thoughts. During a Tai Chi practice, you might feel a gentle warmth spreading through your body as the result of slow, deliberate movements and deep breathing. There's a grace to Tai Chi, a fluidity that makes it feel almost like a dance. The movements are mindful and controlled, helping you to improve your balance and coordination over time. As you move through the sequences, you might notice a sense of calm washing over you, a feeling of being in harmony with your surroundings. I have found that one of the joys of mindful movement, whether through yoga or Tai Chi, is the sense of accomplishment it brings. Each session is a journey, a time to connect with yourself on a deeper level. There's a joy in discovering what your body can do and feeling more flexible, more balanced, and more at peace. It's a reminder that movement doesn't have to be about pushing yourself to the limit, but can be a gentle, nurturing practice that supports your overall well-being. The benefits of mindful movement extend beyond the physical. Of course, there's the obvious improvement in flexibility, strength, and balance, but there's also a profound impact on our mental and emotional health. Engaging in these practices regularly can help reduce stress and anxiety, promote better sleep, and enhance our overall mood. It's a way of taking care of ourselves, of giving our minds and bodies the attention they deserve. I have found that mindful movement also fosters a deeper connection with ourselves. In our busy lives, it's easy to become disconnected from our bodies, to ignore the signals they send us. But practices like yoga and Tai Chi encourage us to tune in, to listen to what our bodies are telling us. We become more aware of how we feel, both physically and emotionally. This awareness can lead to better self-care as we learn to recognize when we need rest, when we need movement, and when we need a moment to simply breathe. Another beautiful aspect of mindful movement is its accessibility. You don't need any special equipment or a particular level of fitness to start. Yoga and Tai Chi can be adapted to suit your needs, whether you're a beginner or have been practicing for years. It's about finding what works for you and allowing yourself the grace to grow and progress at your own pace. Incorporating mindful movement into your daily routine can be a transformative experience. It doesn't have to be a long session. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. You might start your morning with a gentle yoga flow, setting a calm and positive tone for the rest of your day. Or perhaps end your day with a few Tai Chi movements, helping to release the day's tension and prepare for a restful night's sleep. As you continue to practice, you may notice changes in how you feel throughout the day. There might be a newfound sense of ease in your movements, a lightness in your step. You might find yourself more patient, more focused, and more present in your interactions with others. The benefits of mindful movements ripple out into every aspect of your life, enhancing your overall well-being. I have found that mindful movement is also a wonderful way to create a sense of community. Whether you join a yoga class or a Tai Chi group, there's a special bond that forms among participants. You're sharing in a practice that promotes health and well-being, supporting each other on your individual journeys. It's a reminder that we're all in this together, each of us finding our own path towards wellness. As we age, maintaining our physical and mental health becomes even more important. Mindful movement offers a gentle yet effective way to stay active and engaged. It's a practice that grows with you, adapting to your needs and abilities over time. It's never too late to start, and the benefits are available to everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. In closing, I invite you to explore the world of mindful movement. Try a yoga class or a Tai Chi session and notice how it makes you feel. Pay attention to the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the calmness in your mind. Allow yourself to experience the joy and the peace that these practices bring. If you find this journey challenging and feel you need more personalized guidance, remember, I'm here to help. You can schedule a free exploratory coaching session with me through the links below. Together, we can work on embracing mindful movements and integrating it into your daily life. I'm Lynn, and you've been watching Life Reimagined with Lynn. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of mindful movement. If you found value in our discussion today, please like, subscribe, and click the bell for more insight on living a balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, taking care of yourself is a journey, not a destination. Let's make this journey together.